Give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love.
Morning. Back to school today. Nag-boil ako ng hotdog kasi yung request ng mga bata is hotdog bun with tomato sauce and cheese.
What you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
Hi, Dad. It's my Wednesday stove, and I'm down to play stove. And I got my tiny monster trucks there, and it's in my bag. Mama,
You're really bringing it, are you?
and I'm eating. And I got 3 left,
2 left.
2 left. And I will finish it.
Good job.
And that Harry in my still and Lorenzo.
No, Lorenzo's not in your class.
Put it.
Just Harry. You might see Lorenzo this morning, I'm not sure. We'll see.
Lorenzo, where you are at my still?
I think he's in your school, but I don't think he's in your class.
Mom,
Yes?
are you there? And
Or maybe he's gone to a different school.
Ah, maybe that's a possibility too. Huh?
and I'm playing a heavy, and now I got 3 friends. But I got
3 friends.
baby, I got Now I got 3 friends.
That's good.
What's the other one name?
What's the other name? Valentino.
And Harry and the other.
The other one's Valentino. The one that you saw at the beach.
No.
Ah,
No.
Lorenzo.
The one that's in my big house. My big store.
Big school? Oh,
Yeah.
what's his name?
And my other store, Miss Nadia is.
Ah, okay.
And
And you don't know his name?
yeah.
Oh.
Is he a big boy?
No.
He's a smaller boy?
No.
Oh.
He does the same size as you, right?
No, it's not.
Then why
Is
is
he
it?
bigger or smaller?
No.
Okay.
And that's only his name.
That's okay. We'll ask Miss Nadia.
I made this for Mama.
For me? For me?
This is Isla, Arlo, India.
Ah, beautiful.
And it has our names at the back. Isla, Arlo, India.
You're done, girl.
Here you go. You
Thank
want
you,
me?
Lily.
I can let you suck it.
Ah.
Look at it.
Ang galing ninyo magsulat talaga ng mga pangalan nila. Ayla, Arlo, Indy. Thank you, ate. I love this. So talented. Ayla, Arlo, Indy. Indy, Arlo, Ayla. Thank you, ate. So pretty. You're done. You look beautiful. Mm.
Oh my God.
Alright, let's put Arlo's clothes on. Thank you. The car went to the side so I can, well, he's a good man. A good man. Alright, who's ready for school? Yay! Is it gonna be the best day ever? Oh, what's the temperature? Oh, it's only 26 right now.
Yeah, because I prayed for 20 and I also said 6.
Aw, did you?
7.
That's great.
Mommy, 6, 7.
6, 7. So, 2 cars kami ni Dad kasi kailangan niyang mag-work right after namin sila i-drop off. But gusto ko kasing sumama sa first day of school drop-off. Tapos kahapon din, hindi din nakasama si Dan sa meet the teacher. So, hindi niya alam kung nasaan yung classroom. Hindi naman siya mahirap hanapin, but I also just wanna go. So, drop off as a family of 5. How are you guys feeling this morning? Good? That's good. You've got your water in your bags. Please make sure you drink a lot of water because it's hot, guys. So you gotta stay hydrated. I know you're gonna play a lot, so you drink a lot of water, okay? Listening ears? Yes? Good job. And si Indy, kinailangan namin gisingin. Itong batang to din kasi. Yung ano niya, first day of school na una, kanina, madaling araw, gumising. Play The Fate of Ophelia.
The Fate of Ophelia by Taylor Swift now playing.
Alright, let's go.
In 100 meters red light and speed limit, camera ahead 60 kilometers per hour speed limit.
That was full on first day of school. That's Daddy. He's on the phone already. Hindi niya ako nakita. So we are going home, pero babalik kami mamaya, guys. So babalik ako mamaya for sure. Itatry ni Dan na mapasok sa schedule niya. Kasi yung kay Arlo, mamaya pa talaga yung first day niya sa new class. Yung pinasukan niya kanina is yung sa occasional care yun. And napansin namin maraming mga parents na hindi in-enroll yung mga anak nila sa occasional care this morning. Tapos mamayang hapon na lang sila punta for like the actual first day. So babalik ako mamayang hapon. Wala namang problema kasi itatransfer naman nila yung mga bata. Like ganun si Ayla noon eh. Every Wednesday sila na yung magsaswap sa mga bata. Kasi may ibang bata sa morning na pupunta sa occasional care ng hapon, alam mo yun. Pero I wanna be there for his like actual first day. So babalik ako. In-enroll ko siya kasi akala ko yun din gagawin ng majority. So babalik kami ng mga 12:30. And okay lang si Ayla kasi kasama niya yung best friend niya. Yung kasama natin sa zoo. So classmate pa din sila, guys. Pinag-classmate pa din silang dalawa. Meron lang silang isang friend na nahiwalay. Pero magkatabi lang naman sila ng classroom. Kailangan na mag-ingat ngayon kasi iniba na yung speed limit ng yung malapit sa school. Ginawa nilang 40 instead of 60. And kasi kaka-impose lang nung speed, maraming mag-check niyan. So dapat mag-ingat. Sa mga taga South Australia dyan, bagong siya, guys, bagong rule. So sa mga roads na malapit sa school, ginawa nilang 40 from a specific time in the morning and in the afternoon during like drop-off pick-up in the morning and in the afternoon. So dapat mag-ingat. Kasi maliit lang yung sign, nakita ko kanina. So binalita siya, tapos tapos in-email din kami ng school, ni-remind kami na iba na yung speed. Oh my gosh, Didi, it's you and me, girl. Yeah, di pa yun kumakain ng breakfast. Binigyan ko ng snack kanina, ayaw man. Na-enjoy siya sa pag-drop off namin. We are home. It's just you and me today, Didi. You and me. Ihanda ko yung namin. Yung dinner namin mamaya. Munggo! Konti na lang yung munggo ko. Add natin yan sa lista. So, iso ko lang to. Para mamayang gabi, hindi na siya ganun katagal mag-boil. Ano naman to? Konti lang din naman to. Okay lang. Happy D. Ha? Yes, happy D? That is ready for tonight. And what are we gonna have for lunch? Ang aga pa. We have a lot of meat. I know. Yeah. That's our meat for our munggo. I have laundry going because it's Wednesday and there's a lot of laundry, guys. 2 very full loads of laundry. I'm on my first load right now. Yeah, kasi galing pa yun nung weekend. Hindi ko kasi siya nilabhan pagdating namin kasi alam ko na hinintay ko yung schedule ko talaga Wednesday. Wednesday. Maybe we should move our na naman. Iisip ko, i-move ba namin yung namin? Yung laundry natin ba? kasi nag-iba na yung schedule ng sports uniform ni Ayla eh. Yung sports uniform ni Ayla ngayon is Tuesday at saka Wednesday na. Which is okay kasi meron naman siyang tigdadalawa. Pero si Arlo kasi, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, okay lang ko na lang. I-quick wash ko sa Wednesday afternoon yung kanyang shorts. Dalawa lang kasi yung shorts niya. So, i-quick wash ko na lang Wednesday afternoon. That's okay. We'll stick to our schedule. All done! Your milky? Where is the milky? Where is the milky? Here it is. Happy? Gutom ka din, oh. Yeah. Kagutom yun di ba? Oh, I need to eat my yaya. Nagkape lang ako kanina. Yeah. You watch Mama do laundry? Yes. Lilipat ko siya dyan, guys. Kasi umaakyat na yan sa high chair niya. Kailangan talaga siyang bantayan. But kumakain pa kasi siya. After niya mag-breakfast, ayan na. Dapat may dessert, di ba di? I'll do laundry. Tumunog na yung laundry ko. So, tapos na yun. Ilipat ko na yun dito. And then, ito i-load ko. More? Finish? Uy! You finish? Yes? You want more? More? Yes? Daddy. I know, wait. You're right. You wanna get out? You finish? Sige. All done! That was quick. All done. Say, all done. All done. All done. All done. Yes. All done? All done. All done. All done. All done. All done, done. All done, done. No, don't touch. Hindi. Ready? Come on, here. Go. You guys, lunchtime. It's early. 11:22 pa lang. Kaya lang inisip ko, alis siguro ako dito ng mga just after 12. Para nga samahan si Arlo sa new classroom niya para ihatid daw natin siya ba kahit na nandun na siya. This is gonna be my lunch. Binilan ako ni Dan nito kasi nung nasa Walaro kami, nagpahanap ako sa kanya nito. Wala sila dun sa Drake's nila dun. Yung first choice ko talaga is yung Cheetos. Kaya lang wala sila nung yung tamang Cheetos. Meron lang sila yung spicy na puffy. Ayoko yung puffy. Gusto ko yung medyo matigas. So, yun yung first option ko. The second option is Takis. Third option is Doritos na Dinamita. At yung tawag dun, basta Doritos Dynamite. Obviously, wala silang Cheetos. Nakita to ni Dan sa shops kahapon. So, binilhan niya ako nito. Yeah, and I've got cream cheese as well. And apakalaking capsicum. Yung iba, jalapeno daw yung gamit. But, wala kasi atang jalapeno. I don't know. Hindi ko din tinanong si Dan kung may jalapeno ba. Pero ito yung nakikita kong videos guys sa TikTok na masarap daw. And I like chips. You guys know I love chips. I also like spicy konti. And I love cheese. Cheese, cream cheese, yung mga ganyan. So feeling ko magugustuhan ko to siya. Meron pang isang viral ngayon, yung yogurt at saka biscuit. Kaya lang hindi ako masyado sa matamis eh. So, ang laki nga lang ng capsicum. I-half ko siya kasi ang laki talaga nito. Yan. And then, lagyan natin ng maraming cream cheese sa loob. Tapos, maglagay tayo ng Takis. So, ganito yung itsura ng Takis. Oh, wow, that's spicy. Uy, masarap siya. Tabunan ko pa. Ang dami na itong cream cheese. Alright. Looks like that. We'll see. Masarap yung Takis alone. Wait, ang kapal ng capsicum. Masarap yung Takis at saka cream cheese. Masarap din man yung capsicum. Ang kapal lang. Hindi masama yung lasa niya, pero hindi ko gets kung gusto ko siya or... In fairness, masarap naman yung combination. Yeah. Try ko yung cream cheese lang at saka Takis. That's good. Yeah. Yum. Pero masarap din yung capsicum kasi nakakabalance siya sa anghang nitong Takis. Actually, masarap siya. Tapos yung Takis din may pagkaasim-asim ng konti. Kasi ito yung may lime eh. Actually, masarap siya guys. Naka-curious na ako sa lasa ng isa. Feeling ko mas masarap yun. Kasi ito masarap siya, in fairness. You guys, I think I'm done. Kaloka. Masarap siya pero nakakaumay. Half of a capsicum lang yung nakain ko. Pero I have been eating this. Ang laki ng capsicum. Ang kapal pa. Cut lang ako ng konti kasi ayoko siyang lagyan ng cream cheese lahat. And then, lagay tayo ng cream cheese dito. And then this. Here you go. Ganun na lang. Try natin ubusin tong capsicum. I'm gonna eat it without the chips. Masarap din siya. Cream cheese kasi talaga yung nagdadala eh. Buyag-buyag nito kasing cream cheese. Ay! Cheers. Tadang. Oh, dance, dance. Happy D, happy D, happy D. Happy D. Oh yeah, I know. In the car. Alis na as. Puntahan natin si Kuys. Bahay na pala kami guys. Kanina pa. Pero, alis na naman kami. Sanduin na namin sila. Ang bilis lang nun. Hihintay lang namin si Dana sa taas. May work lang saglit. And then maya-maya lang alis na tayo. Because it is 2:26. So, ang out ni Arlo, pwede na siyang kunin at 2:50. Tapos si Ayla alas 3 talaga yung out niya. Like, on the dot, maglinya na yan sila palabas. So, tara na. Para makapark din tayo sa taas. Sama-sama na naman kami ngayon kasi first day gusto namin na kami mag-drop buong pamilya at saka mag-pick up. Pero bukas, balik na tayo sa dati. It's either si Dan or ako. Oh, and that reminds me, we need a new vacuum. Cool daddy, cool daddy. Say, let's go. Say, let's go. Ang lakas na niya mag-ano eh. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Oh no. Let's go. I'm looking for the remote so we can... Okay. Guys, nagluluto na pala ako ng munggo. Malapit na matapos. Ilalagay ko na ang aking spinach. Look at this. Ayan. Luto na yan eh. Kanina pa kasi yan. Maglagay tayo nito. And that's our munggo done. Oh my God! Gusto ko na kumain, guys. Okay na to. Nakasalang na yung dinner ni Dan. So, you will have sausages and scrambled eggs. So, kapag malapit na maluto yung kanyang sausage, lulutuan ko siya ng scrambled eggs. So, I'm not sure. Should I eat now or wait? Kasi pinakain ko na yung mga bata. Nagutom na kasi sila. Nagluto ako ng fried rice kanina. Tapos, pinakain ko sila. Fried rice na may egg at saka hotdog. Pero for sure, kakain pa din yan mamaya. So, susubuan ko yan ng munggo. What's happening? You guys, tulog na yung mga bata. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras na wala dito yung phone ko. Bumaba lang ako para ayusin yung uniform nila. Ihanda yung mga kailangan ihanda para bukas ng umaga. Tulog na sila. Si Dan at saka si Indy nandun na din sa kwarto namin. I think tulog na si Indy. Hindi ko alam. I don't think tulog si Dan. But yeah, first day of school was a success. Kakapagod nga lang siya kasi ang dami nating running around today. But the kids are happy. They like their class. They like their classmates. Si Arlo, wala naman talaga siyang problema ever since. Like, naiiwan mo lang talaga siya. As in, wala talaga siyang problema. Magbababay lang siya. Parang ayaw niya na mag-worry ka sa kanya. So, may umiiyak to na bata kanina. Tapos sabi niya, why is he crying, Mommy? Sabi ko, he doesn't want his mama to leave. And then, sabi niya sa akin, Mommy, it's okay. I want you to leave. I'll be fine. Yung mga ganun niya. Yung sobrang iniisip mo ba, my goodness, hindi ako naiiyak kasi mamimiss ko to, pero naiiyak ako sa kamature itong batang to. Yung the way siya mag-isip, kasi ganun din siya sa akin. Nung first day of school niya sa occasional care, ganun din siya sa car. Sabi niya, I'm gonna be okay, okay? I'm just gonna play, okay? I'm gonna be home later, okay? Ako yung ina-assure niya na magiging okay lang siya kasi siguro alam niya na magiging emotional ako. But I wasn't emotional today at all because I know he's fine. Like, he's been going to occasional care, no problems at all. As in, wala talagang ganun. Minsan kasi si Ayla, may mga times pa na ayaw ka pa niyang paalisin. But so far kay Arlo, as in, wala talaga. Okay na okay talaga siya. So,
that was really good. Very smooth first day of school. Happy ang mga kids. Yun naman talaga yung pinaka-importante. Kahit si D, happy siya. Alam mo yun, parang minsan sabi niya, maganda din palang masolo yung mami ko. But yeah, no, it was good. And bukas na naman, school na naman, Friday, school na naman. I need to finish editing all the vlogs from Wallaroo kasi isa pa lang yung na-edit ko kanina. So, natapos ko siya before ko na matulog yung mga bata kanina. So, I still have a lot to go. So, gusto kong tapusin muna yun sana. We'll see before mag-vlog ulit. But, thank you guys sa panonood. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, please subscribe. See you guys next time. Mwah.
You make